The next is find the place and the place value and the face value of 7 and 5 in the given number. What is the number? 568790. Okay, so this is the 6-digit number that I am going to place in the place value chart. The chart already you know, right? It's a ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakhs it is. Okay, here it is. You have to write the numbers in the place value chart. 5 lakhs, 6, 10,000, 8,000, 700, it is 90 here. Okay, particularly they are asking the digit for 7 and 5. So what is the place value of 7 here? 7 is here. 7 into 100 is equal to 700. Okay, what is the place value of 5 here? 5 will be 5 into 1 lakh is equal to 1 lakh, right? 5 lakhs. 5 into 1 lakh is equal to what? 5 lakhs. So it is a place value. And then face value is what? Face value of 5 is 5 itself. The place value of 7 is 7 itself. You guys understand? Okay. The expanded form of a number. How can I expand the number? It is like reverse of it now. So what I told you here, the words they will give, that you have to write in the numbers. Okay, here number they will give, you have to write, you have to represent, you have to expand it. You have to expand in the place value and the face value together. Now you see here. Now you see here. The expanded form of a number is a way of writing a number so that the value of each digit is expressed. In sense, expanded form shows a number expanded into an addition statement. Okay, addition statement in sense, see example you take it, 1,23,574, the number is there. Expanded form, how can you write? So 1 represent in the place value chart is a 1 lakh. So 1 into 1 lakh plus 2 into 10,000 plus 3 into 1,000 plus 5 into 100 plus 7 into 10 plus 4 into 1. So this is the way of expanding a number. So next it will be what? 1 into 1 lakh is 1 lakh plus 20,000 plus 3,000 plus 500 plus 70 plus 4. Guys understand? So this is the expanded form. Okay, again one more example I will give you. Write the expanded form of 78,902. How can you write? 70,000 plus 8,000 plus 900 plus 0 doesn't have the place value here. You don't just leave it off. That 0, you don't have that. So 800 plus, first of all I will tell you one more. It is 70,000 plus 8,000 plus 900 plus 2. You don't have the tens place here because it is 0, is represented 0. So your places which have 0 are not represented in the expanded form. Okay guys, so you know now how to write the expanded form. Okay, the next thing is comparing the numbers, right? Comparing the numbers in sense what? We are very familiar with the rules of comparing the numbers. How to compare means, if you are comparing numbers with different digits, then the number with the greater digit which is having a greater number. See example, now I am telling it is 2, 4, 5, 8, 9, 7. It is 4, 3, 6, 4, 5, 6, 3, 4. Okay. Here how many digits are there here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 digit. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 it will be. So without judging anything, here 5 digit, this is 6 digit, this is a 5 digit. Obviously this is greater than this. Okay, don't want to check any of the numbers here because it is 6 digit, it is more numbers are there when compared to this side, right? So obviously this number is greater than this number. And one more number, see, 18345 and 18358. See, this case is a bit confused, right? Nothing it is. See, 1, this is also 1. You have to check always from the rightmost. First digit will be rightmost, you have to check. In comparing the numbers, you have to come with the rightmost. Okay. 1 and 1, same. 8 and 8, same. 3 and 3, again same. 4, this is 5, right? This is a 5. So, this will be greater number. So, one by one number you have to check. The rightmost number you have to come. Both the numbers you have to check one by one. You will be getting which is a bigger number. Okay, in the case of 5 digit, 6 digit, 7 digit, the same thing. Or any of the digit, whatever the number of digits, you don't care about it. Do that what I told you, rightmost you have take it. Then one digit you just compare with that, which is the bigger number, then you can find it. Okay. Then next one is ordering of numbers. The ordering of numbers, the numbers can be represented from the smaller to bigger ascending order. It is smaller to bigger is what? Ascending order. And bigger to smaller, it is descending order. Already you have learned in the lower classes. Okay. Okay, now I will tell you how to write the ascending order and how to write the descending order by using that 5 digit numbers I am going to take, or 6 digit number also we can do it. Okay, the lower classes and all you have studied 2 digit, 3 digit only, 4 digit, up to that you have done. But here in this 4th standard you are going to do 6 digit, you are dealing with the 6 digit number, right? 7 digit number, this way you are going to deal with. You have to be very careful when you are doing the ascending order and descending order. It will be little confusion will be there, right? But don't get panic, I will tell you the tricks here. Okay guys, here I have given one example, right? You have to arrange the numbers in the descending order. First of all, what I told you, descending number in sense, bigger number to smaller number. Okay, here I have given that 6 digit number. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 numbers I have given. That's big numbers I have given, right? That big numbers you have to write in the descending order. Right? How can you write? First of all, these values and all I have represented in the place value chart. See here, everything I have written in the place of 0. I have represented all the numbers on the place value chart here. Since all the numbers 6 digit number, we start comparing from the lakhs place. Right? So here it will be lakhs place. You check, you have 1, 5, 6, 4, 3. Which is the bigger number here? Which is a bigger number? Here the 6 is a bigger number. So first of all, here I am taking this number 6,37,892. That number is the first number. I got it. Okay, leave this. After that, which is that bigger number? You check 5, 1, 4, 3 is there. The next number will be 5. Okay, this one. This is the first case, this is the first one, I got it, and this is the second one. Okay, then after that it will be like what? Next 4. This is 4, this is third one, the next this is fourth one, and the last case is the first one here. Okay, this way you have to write it in the descending order by seeing the lakhs place here. The first number I told you, right, most place you have to check, right? So 6,000, I will tell you one more time, 6,37,892 is greater than 5,24,400 is greater than 4,67,834 is greater than 3,67,381 is greater than 1,23,451. The least number is like that. Even the same thing I can do in the ascending order also. Ascending order means what? The same thing you are going to compare. Since all the numbers are in 6 digit numbers, we are starting the lakhs place here. So which is the least number here? The lakhs place is a 1 here. Okay, the first is 1, the second one will be 3, then 4, then 5, then 6. So you have to write the ascending order is also very same. It will be like the reverse come, na? Whatever you have written the descending order, that you can write in the reverse, that will be coming the ascending order. Okay, so this way you can represent the following numbers in the ascending order and the descending order easily. Okay, I will give you the one more example to give that ascending order now. Okay. The next example is I have given the 5 numbers, okay, which is having the 6-digit number. 6-digit number I have, right? 5 numbers it is there. I already told you how to compare the numbers, since it is all the numbers is having the same digit. Same digit, the number of digits is very same. Then you have to check with the rightmost value. Here it is as a lakhs here. The rightmost value just start from the lakhs here. Okay, now you check here. Here 1, 1. Again I have represented all the numbers in the place value chart, guys. See, I have written already all the values I have written in the place value chart. Okay, see here everything should be here 1, 1, 1. I cannot compare here in the lakhs place. Why? Because all the numbers are very same. How can you compare it? No. The next case you come. 10th place. 10,000 place you come. Here you come. So which is the smallest number? I want to do these numbers in the ascending order, right? Here first of all this 2 and this 2 is very same, right? This 2 and this 2 is very same. Here 2 is the smallest number. I cannot take this, which 2 it will be. The next number again you have to come for this. This one and this one you have to check. Okay. So next will be what? 5 here, this is 3 here. So this is the one which is the smallest number. This is the first one, smallest number, because after this 2, thousands place is 3. After this 2, the thousands place is 5. So which is the smallest number here? Here 3 or 5. 3 is the smallest number, right? So I can take this number 1,23,456 is the smallest number out of 5 numbers. Here 1,25,783 will be second smallest number. Okay. Now this fine. Now out of 3 numbers still it will be there. Okay. This 473. Now you know. In 10,000 place itself you know, right? Now this is the third smallest is 3. 134,518. Then fourth smallest is 144,780. And last number will be 178,350. So this is the ascending order I have made it. Okay, ascending order means what have you write? Less than symbol you have to use, right? Ascending order means, so 1,23,456 is less than, 1,25,783 is less than, 1,34,518 is less than, 1,44,780 is less than. The last number is 1,78,345. Okay, now you know, right, how to write the ascending order and descending order in better way. Next thing is forming the numbers with the given digits. Okay, how to form the numbers? In sense is if how we are to form 6-digit using the digits will be like 174,925. Then the greatest number would be what? 975421. Okay, so how can I get this number? In sense you have to write in the descending order, big to small. If you write, you will be getting the largest number. Okay, then smallest number, how can you write? 1, 2, 4, 5, one more I'll repeat, 1, 2, 4, 5, 7, 9. This is the ascending order. How can you write the ascending order? This one, you have to write from small to big. Then you will be getting the ascending order. You will be getting smallest number. Okay. Okay. The next one is a successor and predecessor. Success means what, guys? Success means you are coming forward. You are stepping forward, right? One step coming front. Right now, so success means adding one. Adding one is success. Right? The immediate next number is success. Successor it is. Successors of a number is the number that comes just after it, that is successor. Then it is obtained by adding 1 to the number, right? That is a successor. What is my predecessor? Predecessor is just reverse, just immediate back, one step back it is, right? My negative 1. You just subtract 1 with that number, you will be getting a predecessor. Before that number, it is a predecessor. After that number, it's a successor. Easily we can remember. Success means success means it is coming forward. It is an addition of 1, it will be. Okay, now I will give one number here, 2,83,408. 2,83,408. Okay. What is successor of the number here? 2,83,409. Plus 1 you are adding. 3 plus 1 is, 8 plus 1 is 9. So, 2,83,409. One more number I will give. 4,80,299. How you do it? Plus 1 you add with that. 4,80,300. Right? It is 300. Now predecessor I will come. I will give one number in this. 2,83,408. Predecessor means what I told you? Subtracted with 1. Negative 1, right? So what you will do? 2,83,408 minus 1, you will be getting 2,83,407. 8 minus 1 is 7. One more. 4,80,299. How you will get? 4,83,298. 9 minus 1 is 8. You understand, guys, what is successor and what is predecessor here? The next topic is Indian and International Place Value System. I already told you Indian Place Value System. What is that? Ones, tens, hundreds. It's one period. Ones period it is. Next, thousands, 10,000. It is a thousands period. Okay. Next is lakhs, 10 lakhs. It will be lakhs period, I told you. Now, what international system, how it will be in sense, instead of lakhs, they will be going for the millions. Okay, not only that, the periods also changing here, guys. See, first 3 numbers, okay, the next 2 numbers, next 2 numbers, next 2 numbers, it will be going for the Indian system. Left mode side, it will be right. Ones, tens, 100 is a one group. It is a one group. The next 2 digit one group, next 2 digit one group. But here in this case, in the internal system, what happens? First 3 numbers, okay, ones, tens, hundreds, that is ones. 1,000, 10,000, 100,000, that is a thousands period. Then million, 10 million, that is a millions period. You understand? So 3 numbers they are taking. But here we are taking only 3 digit, 2, 2, 2 this way. But here in this international system, what happens? 3 digit, again 3 digit, again 3 digit. They will be keep on moving like that. Okay, now I will give you one example. The best example what I am giving here in sense, 60400295. How can you represent on this number in the international system? 604, 60 will be in the millions. 400, it's in thousands. Okay, the next will be 295, that should be in the ones. How can you read this number? 60,400,295. This way you have to read. One more number I will tell you. Okay, 6 digit number I will tell you. 702845. 702845. This number you have to represent it on the place value chart first of all. Ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, 100,000, millions, 10 millions. This way you have to represent these numbers on the place value chart in the internal system. I am going to read this number in the internal system, guys. Listen carefully. is 702,845, right? Okay. 702,845 over. So this way you have to represent these numbers in the international system. Okay. Okay guys, the next I am going to give one more number, okay, that you have to tell me how to read this in the international system. Now the next number is 17935. How can you read this number in the international system here? So 17,935. Okay, so one more number I will give you, 52786. So 52,786. So this way you have to represent in the international place value system. Okay, then the last topic is Roman numerals. Roman numerals already you have seen it. Okay, what is actually Hindu Arabic system? In sense 10 digits you have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Hindu Arabic systems you have 10 numbers here. Roman systems uses only 7 symbols. 7 symbols to represent the numbers here. The following the tables will be the Latin's letters used in the Roman numerals and the corresponding numerals values they represent. How I will tell you guys. I represent 1. Character it is, right? I is a character. I represent 1. V represent 5. X represent 10. L represents 50. C will be 100. The last D will be 500. Right guys? So first standard you have written, first standard like this you have written. Second standard 2. These numbers and all you are writing through numerals. Now one more thing I will tell you guys, there is some rules you have. Okay, you cannot write as it you know it. This way it is not. Some rules you have here. See now, wait, I'll tell you. When a symbol appears after a larger symbol, it is to be added. Okay, V is there. After this V, I am doing. So 5 plus 1, it is 6 here. 5, V is 5, right? I is 1, right? 5 plus 1 you have to do, it is 6. Then if the symbol appears before the larger symbol, right, it is to be subtracted. In this case, see now, like this. 10 is, X is what? 10, right? I is what? 1, right? 10 minus 1, it is 9. This is 9. And one more important thing I am going to tell you, don't use the same symbols more than 3 times in a row. Right? See, now I am giving one example here, guys. See, this is 8. Right? So, I cannot write this is 9. This is 8. So, why I should not write this one? This is also 9. No, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is wrong way to write this Roman numeral because I told you the rule is there. Don't use the same symbol more than 3 times. So, already I have used here 3 times here. So, one more I you should not use here, guys. Okay, that is what I am going to give here. 9 will be 10. It will be 10 minus 1. That is 9. That is what next higher number is X, right? X is 10 now. 10 minus 1 is 9 here. Okay. What is then 11? 11, how can you write? X1. That is 11. XII 12. XIII 13. XIV it is 14. XV it is 15. XVI 16. XVIA it is 17. XVIII it is 18. XIX is 19 and XX will be 20. Okay, so up to 50, hundreds and all you will be learning. When you are going for the next classes, you will be learning better. This is like a small introduction to you given your book actually. Okay, one more best example I am giving now. How to represent this? What I told you, X is equal to 10, right? 4, how can you represent? What will be 4 here? 4 will be IV. Okay, what is meant by this one? LXI. What is LXI? What is L here? 50. What is XI? I told you what is XI, it is 11. So this is 61. Okay, so LXI, you have to separate and write it. Okay, what is L1, LII? It is 50, 51, 52. So this is 50 plus 2, which is equal to 52. So Roman numerals, if they give, you have to write in the numbers. Hindu-Arabic numerals, you have to write it. Hindu-Arabic numerals means day by day we are using the numbers, no? That is Hindu-Arabic numerals. Roman numerals means I told you, right? What is X is equal to 100, L is equal to 50, V is equal to 5. That is Roman numerals, guys. Okay, now you understand better in this Roman numerals. So this 4th chapter, so all the topics I have covered here. So I thought you understand better in this lesson. Okay guys, thank you.